Okay, I made those pot pie pizzas this morning as part of my show. I was so excited about them that I was waiting for. No, yes. Is it? Is it? Okay. Hi. So excited about the pot pies this morning that I had to go ahead and make them again tonight for a bedtime snack for my husband who just got home from work. So I did do the egg wash as somebody suggested. Okay, are you ready? Take a look at these. Okay. Now, Stephen, you didn't get to see this earlier. Over here to the plate. I'm going to put the plate on top. Going to flip it over. And this is the absolutely yummy, gorgeous, beautiful part of this whole thing. Which you, and please, if you like what you see, make a noise. All the cheese kind of melted away some, but there's still some there. There we go. There's some of the cheese. Look at that. Yummy, yum, yums. Let's pull the other one out and see what it looks like. And these are cast iron crocks, so I'm not cheating nobody, nothing. Don't grab that with your hand, it's hot. Okay. We'll try turning this one over now. The egg wash did make it prettier, but you can see some of my egg on there too. But don't look at that. Don't look at the egg on there. Okay. Don't look at the egg on there. And please ignore the smoke in the kitchen. Please. Flipped over. Make sure the crust is nice and loose. If you don't loosen your crust, it might stick to it bigly. And voila. There we go. Now we're going to start eating like chubby people again. So thanks for joining me for a quick little part 2. Have a good night.